Hey there, ladies and gentlemen. So we're working on a Maytag Bravos Dryer. Now this dryer, I have not seen a video on YouTube on how to take it apart, to change a belt, to get to the innards of this dryer. And everything is on the front of this dryer instead of being in the back. So what you have to do first is you have to take off this plate. Take the screws out of here, and then this dryer, the top of this dryer, will slide forward and come up, and you can set it off into the side. So I'm going to try to record this for you. Time for me to wake up. So you can see what I'm doing. Need more room. I missed one again. I thought we got it. This is using a 1/4-inch drive to take the bolts out, makes it a little bit easier. Slide it forward like this, and then you can flip this backwards, or you can just zip back a little bit so that you can get to the screws on the front of the dryer.